What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel all about travel and technology, as well as tutorials and reviews. Today I have a very exciting unboxing of some products that are coming out this month, and I wanted to show you what comes in the box so you know what you can expect if you decide to purchase this product. Before I get started, I did want to say thank you so much to my newest Patreon supporters over at patreon.com/ShannonMorse, as well as my Buy Me a Coffee supporters too, who keep me caffeinated each and every week for these videos. That's over at buymeacoffee.com/snubs. I'll put those links down below in case you want to support me, but of course, subscribing is also the best way to support this channel, always. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I don't want to waste a lot of time today since I do want to get this video out as soon as possible. First I have, and this probably kind of gives it away, this is the OnePlus Warp Charge 30, which I just got in the mail earlier today. I also have two identical boxes. One of these is the OnePlus 8, and the other box included the OnePlus 8 Pro reviewer's guide as well as the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, I don't know exactly which versions of these phones I received in the mail for review, so either way, I did want to thank OnePlus for sending these over for review, and if you have any questions after I've unboxed these, definitely leave your questions down below because I will be posting that review in the next couple of weeks. I tend to give myself a couple of weeks to do any of my phone or laptop reviews, as well as any IoT product reviews too, honestly, because I want to be really thorough and make sure that I answer all those questions, and I give it a lot of time with the product so I can actually give you a real experience. With that said, let's go ahead and unbox these. So I think I'll go ahead and get started with the big box, the OnePlus 8 Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side because this won't be received by consumers. This is just the reviewer's guide that OnePlus sends out. And I will set these two over to the side so that I can shift this one into the center of the screen. Now let me know if you're enjoying this kind of video. I've never done a top down, so this is my first time. This is kind of a test, so if I screw up with this unboxing and I kind of miss something on the camera, don't judge me too hard. This is kind of a very hacked together little device thing that I have going on here to get a top down shot, so hopefully it looks good, but let me know if you guys like this and if you would like to see more of these kind of unboxing videos. All right, so here is the OnePlus 8 Pro. On the top it says never settle, and if I move that, it kind of shifts the focus a little bit on that, which is a pretty interesting little window screen that they have on this box. All right, let's go ahead and open this. It is magnetic. Ta-da! So the first thing we see in here is the OnePlus 8 Pro Sandstone bumper case in cyan. So that's a nice pretty color. Reviewers also received the OnePlus 8 Pro carbon bumper case. OnePlus loves their carbon cases, and I gotta say, I really like them too, so I'm glad they included this. Now here is the 8 Pro box. So they always have very tall boxes that these products come in. Okay, so I'm gonna hide this since it has the IMEI data on the back of this box, but apparently I received the Glacial Green color, which includes 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage of ROM. So let's go ahead and slide this box open. There's our OnePlus. I like the box. I like that it says never settle down there. That's really pretty. And it looks like this whole thing pops up. So I will remove that in just a moment. Oh, cool. There's also a clear case at the back of the box. It says never settle right there, which seems to be kind of laser etched into this clear case. Also received a USB-C charger. This is probably for fast charging. I will be testing the charging speeds, of course. And here is the Warp charger. And this looks fairly similar to the previous year Warp chargers. You always get one of these in the box, which I do appreciate very much. Okay, let's take this little baby out. Is there anything in here? Oh, there is something in here. Ah. Okay, here we have safety information, quick start guide, highest SAR value. Oh, this is like FCC certifications. Oh, stickers, that's fun. Look at all the cute stickers, guys. And an invitation letter. OnePlus also always sends out an invitation letter. There's a SIM change out little device as well. Okay, so now that we have everything out of the box, let's go ahead and take out the new Glacial Green OnePlus 8 Pro. There's a sticker on the back that has the IMEI and serial number, so I will go ahead and remove that. And here we have the Glacial Green color, and look at that cool change effect. That is so pretty. Let's see if I can get that on the camera really well. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm kind of a fan, guys. I am kind of a fan. That is really pretty. Okay, so the front of the phone appears to not include, oh my gosh, I just noticed my fingernails totally match this color. I did not do that on purpose either. I painted my nails like a week before they introduced the phone. Oh, I'm so happy. That's so cool. Okay, so here's the front of the phone. It does appear that there is no screen protector on the front of this. It's a curved display. There's a little punch out for the camera. I see a speaker grill at the top. There's probably a speaker at the bottom as well. I think it's dual speakers, but I will talk about that more in the review. I do like that it feels kind of brushed and nice and soft. That is really nice. These are very pronounced. The cameras on the back of it are very, very pronounced. You still have the physical vibrate slider and audio slider on the side, which I also very much appreciate. And then there's the power button next to that. So while this is booting up, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the OnePlus 8. And then we can compare the sizes next to each other. All right, so here is the OnePlus 8. Let's go ahead and slide this one open. The box looks identical. If I pop this one open, the reviewer's guide is right at the top. So we have a OnePlus 8 reviewer's guide, fairly similar. So I'll just put this to the side. If you're wondering what reviewer's guides entail, it's usually just a bunch of information about the specs and the upgrades from previous phones. So I'll be reading through that to make sure I have all the specs correct before I do my review. So in this box, we have two OnePlus 8 cases. There's the nylon bumper case, and there's also the sandstone bumper case, which comes in the same color, that cyan color. So same as the other one. Here is the OnePlus 8. Right here. Same thing, I'll go ahead and open this up. So according to this box, this one is the Interstellar Glow color. Yeah. So excited to check this one out. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of memory. So this is the largest OnePlus 8. So this one does have a little bit more RAM and memory than the OnePlus 8 Pro that I received. However, this OnePlus 8 Pro is the cheaper model. There's also a $100 more model that costs $999 that has the upgraded specs on the inside of it. This is the upgraded OnePlus 8, which is $100 more than the step down as far as memory and storage goes. So in this one, we have all of the information on the top. Looks like this one also comes with stickers, invitation letter, safety information, quick start guide, and FCC information. Now, this one I'll go ahead and pop out, put that to the side. We also have a warp charger, it's USB-C, and the warp charger for your AC to plug into your wall. Okay, that's it for that one. So I'll go ahead and put these to the side and open up our OnePlus 8. Okay, so here is the OnePlus 8, and it is reflective. Now this one does appear to have a protector on the front of it, which I appreciate. So there is a screen protector on the front of this one out of the box. There's also a punch hole camera on the front. We also have the same locations for all of the buttons on the sides, and it looks like there's also speaker grills on the top and bottom. Now if I flip this over, look at that color. Oh my goodness, it's a unicorn. It's a freaking unicorn. That is so pretty. Look at that shift. That shift in color is so prismatic and awesome. It's like hollow. Ooh, I love it. I can't wait to check this out. Can't wait to play with it. It's gonna be so much fun. Now I'll go ahead and power this one on too, but of course I will have to set it up. So not much I can do with it right now. It's probably low on battery too. They usually come with like half battery, so I'll have to charge both of these all the way up so that I can actually give you a really good opinion of the battery on both of them side by side. Okay, so if I look at these right next to each other, you can definitely tell that the OnePlus 8 Pro is just a little bit bigger than the OnePlus 8. As far as the sizes go side by side, they almost look equal as far as the width goes, like so. And comparing the backs of them, this one does have a little bit of additional technology with the camera. This one just has the middle section, that little notch that's bumped out. The cameras definitely look a lot more prominent on the 8 Pro than the 8, but of course I will compare both of them side by side and do some photography for y'all so you can see what the cameras look like and find out if you can save some money and just get the 8 instead of the 8 Pro. Now, before I finish off this unboxing, there's one more thing that I was sent. One more thing! One more thing! And this is the OnePlus Warp Charge 30. I'll be quick with this one, it's not gonna take too long. Okay, so this is the Warp Charge 30. Whoa, all right. There we go. Pretty simplistic. Oh, is it stuck in there? Oh no. Oh no, it's stuck in there. Okay, that's not fun. I prefer it when it's like USB and you can just plug it in yourself. Makes it a lot easier to organize chargers. Okay. Oh, so you can't, okay, that's interesting. You can't unplug the warp charge on either side. So this is what you get. So if anything happens to this cable, you can't replace it with a new USB cable. You'd have to get a new wireless warp charge for your OnePlus, which is kind of annoying. And if I put the phone on here, why is there a crazy big notch right there? What's that notch for? Why is there a notch? I'm gonna have to look that up and find out where there's this big notch right there. Is it just to like protect the cameras? I don't know. That's what it looks like when you set it on the warp charge. It's kind of interesting. Ta-da! There's your warp charge. It's so weird that there's a notch in the middle of it right there. I don't know why that's there. I'm gonna take a look and find out what I can find out. Okay, y'all? Okay, I can already tell this OnePlus 8 is gonna be picking up tons of fingerprints unless I put it in a case, so that's fun. Oh, also, this one didn't come with a case. That's interesting, but this one did. So yeah, I'm gonna have lots of fun reviewing these. Let me know if you have any questions about either of them. As usual, make sure you subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content from me because I have a lot of reviews coming up in this new studio. Sorry, it's still boring because, well, everybody knows shipping is somewhat slow and I'm also trying to budget since the pandemic is going on. I'm not buying everything that I need for my studio immediately because I do need to save some money, but eventually I will have some pretty cool stuff going on behind me. I'm just taking my time as far as getting all that prepared. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, to all of my s'mores out there, my name is Shannon Morse and I will see you next time. Bye.